Uh, Good day, dear Arthi. So we highly appreciate that you have chosen our platform for trading, and today we would like to discuss with you your impressions on trading with a OLYMP Trade platform. As you are trading with us for a long time, we would be glad if you could share with us your experience. So, are you ready to start?
Yes, I'm ready.
Uh, Great. So, the first question will be, how did you come into the world of trading? How did you find out about fixed time trades and forex trading?
Actually, before 3 years, I just thought I just find some part-time jobs like that. At the same time, I just was trading on the share markets. After that, I just saw one ad on our YouTube channels. Then I just thought I could learn something. Then I could earn from this platform. From the YouTube, then I go to the OLYMP Trade app. Then I just find out that two kinds of trading platforms like fixed time and forex. Up to now, I'm just using only fixed times more effectively. Then fixed time I just learned, but not yet trading efficiently actually.
Mm-hmm. Got it. And in general, what are your trading goals?
In general, my trading goals are I should achieve my regular kind of income. First of all, I just thought I could earn some part-time earnings, but after I can
Mhm.
find out that trading can be my main earning source. Nowadays, I can earn some lots of money from the our trading platform. So it could be our main work, and we could earn lot of money from this area.
Mm-hmm. And what attracts you the most in trading?
What attraction? Uh, I can say it can be some of them will face losses also actually, but I could see here uh, who all are facing losses. They are not learning actually. If we learn something, we got some knowledge, then we could earn more effectively actually. The knowledge is the best attraction for this our platform actually.
Mm-hmm. Great. And can you please tell us about the beginning of your journey, about the first difficulties, about the difficulties that you have overcome?
Actually, at first time, I just introduced to this platform. I'm not a VIP trader. I'm just using a basic phone. Uh,
Mhm.
first time, it is look like very easy, and I just thought we could learn and earn some easy way. But after some 2 or 3 months, I could see that market can change according to some point of view, like day by day it is changing. So after
Mhm.
that only I find out that some of our tools like our strategies and our indicators, uh, actually at first time I don't know how to use those indicators and strategies. Then after that I just try to learn from that the indicators, how to use those indicators. Then after I find that how to use those strategies, then money control and everything. I'm just getting introducing some new kind of strategies. Then time to time how the market is changing, these are the things I have to learn first actually. So on the first 2 or 3 months, I couldn't say that it is very easy to trade actually. After some point of view, I just got some losses. Then only I just know that it is not like this way. It is not very easy. So I should learn something, then I have to apply in that platform, then I just know that the results will come. How the results are varying depends upon the strategies. So I just on which time I have to use which strategy. So and everything we need to learn day by day, then only I can um, change my output actually. So at first the difficulty is my uh, learning the platform, that's only. After learning only I got some perfect results actually.
Hmm. Got it. So, yeah, that was, as I understand, pretty long way. And so the next question, which I would like to ask you, what does your regular trading day look like? I mean, how do you start? Maybe you do some exercises, or maybe you have something specific.
Oh, actually I have some regular job also. uh,
Hmm.
at the weekdays I have some from morning to evening I have some 8 hours job. After come to home, then only I have to prepare for the trading. Maybe 3 to 4 hours I have to trade. That means only that much time only I can spend on the trading platform. Before get into the trading platform, I just have to relax myself. Then I have to wait and see how the market is changing. I will wait for the signal. Then then only I have to enter into the market. Even maybe I will use the demo open for the uh, regular practice. Then I will maximum I will trade up to 1 to 3 hours. Then that's all.
Hmm. So this is the way how you prepare for trading.
Yes.
Hmm. And how many hours per day do you devote to trading? Like plus minus.
Um, if it is a holiday or this quarantine time, maybe if it is the first of all I will check the market. If the market is changing our expectations are fulfilling means, then I will trade full day actually. If the market is not that much good or it is very aggressive or very slow, then I will get some only 1 hour or 2 hour signals only. So maximum
Hmm.
I will trade depends upon the market how it is changing.
Hmm. Got it. And what is your experience in trading?
Experience in trading, last 3 years actually I'm in trading.
Hmm.
First at first year I just faced so many losses. Not only losses, then it's like a learning process actually. That how much I'm investing and how much it is losing. Maybe it is losses with financial view, but if you find out that I just gained some knowledge. uh, if uh, if I make some mistakes, then I will go through that, then I will check that how it is happened. Then I will try to change that. Then then I have to learn something, then I have to change my strategy. Then I will go for the next wave. Yeah. So the main process is learning process actually. After second year or
Hmm.
third year, nowadays I can see, if I see without any indicator or strategies, I can 90 percentage I can predict the market actually without any indicators. That's
Hmm.
my experience
All
actually.
right. And can you name some main skills that you received before becoming a professional trader?
You mean from starting to now?
Um, yeah, like when you started, I guess by this way you get some experience, you get some skills. And what kind of skills? It could be like, for example, some sort of analytic skills, or maybe some others.
Yeah. At first, when I started the OLYMP trade platform trading process, actually I don't know what is market also. Even though I can see that the market is, I know only Japanese candlesticks, how it is processing, how it is moving. That's only I know actually. After day by day learning process, uh, I just found my own strategies. I just use some indicators in a different way, and I will use some oscillators in a different way. As you see in the market is only three kind of moment only will be there. Actually, it will be uptrend and downtrend, then sideways trend. If it is a sideways trend, the market will not be that much movement will be there. So for that, I have to use some different strategies. If it is a trend, means we don't need to go for some strategies. Actually, we can enter into the market for some two or three, four candlesticks. It will be very easy actually. Maybe if you use some support line, horizontal line, like vertical line, that is enough for the trends actually. So
Mm-hmm. Cool.
on the day by day, I could see the market, how it is changing, um, how it is stable in some point of time. So the experience will be after some 2 or 3 years, I could see in my eyes without any indicators or any something strategies. I can see the market, how it will go and how it will change like that.
Mm-hmm. And what do you think helps you the most in your current trading?
Uh, can you repeat the question? What do you think?
Yes, sure. So, what do you think helps you the most in your current trading?
Um, in current trading, I'm just using some two, three strategies only. I'm using actually the strategies which is using parabolic and RSI indicator. I think it is called kind market strategy. Mostly, I will
Mm-hmm.
prefer to use that kind market strategy. If it is the sideways trend, I will go for scalping.
Mm-hmm.
With scalping means we have some band Bollinger Bands and some stochastic, yes, that is
Mm-hmm.
stochastic indicator.
So,
Both
you're
I'm
using
using
this
actually.
strategy for trading on short terms.
Yes.
Okay. And what is your main motivation in trading?
Main motivation in trading. First of all, like everybody, main motivation was money only. Then after some point of time, some 2 years, after 2 years, I could learn more. Then now, if you ask me, my main motivation is my knowledge actually.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And can you tell us, please, how you choose a trading strategy?
uh, how to choose trading strategies.
Yes, I
Actually,
mean, it will be like advice for beginners. So, how you choose trading strategy, maybe the favorite one or the personal with which you um, start trading, I mean, on daily
already I
basis.
said that my favorite strategy is kind martin actually.
Mm-hmm.
More than that, before choosing any strategies, I just go through the market first. When I go through the market, mostly I can see that only two kinds of maps will be there. Like maybe there are 12 or 13 currency pairs are there, but if you see in the market, two or three kinds of
Mm-hmm.
map will be moving. Like it will be uptrend or it will be downtrend. Some two or three currency pairs will be in sideways trends. So first, I will
Mm-hmm.
choose the currency pairs according to the trendings. If it is upward trend or downward trend, I will choose
Mm-hmm.
I will collect the currency pairs like upward trend currency pairs, then downward trend currency pairs. If I found one signal on one currency pair, means maximum next two or three currency pair will give the same signal actually. So first
Hmm.
I will analyze the market like this way. Then I will use some horizontal lines to know the support level and resistance level. Then after that, I will use the Kain Martin strategy or some other strategies which it can give the signal actually. It may be sidewave trends. If a sideline trends means we have to go for the scalping strategy. So on the time basis also, first we have to analyze the market. Then only we can find any strategies actually. Some strategies will be good for me. Some strategies will be good for some other one. It is depends upon their how they are knowing and how they are understanding the market actually.
Hmm. All right. And how did you learn about the strategies you apply?
How I learned actually, first of all, I don't know about any VAP strategies actually. When I trying to learn, the our YouTube webinars are very helpful to me. Uh, and starting time, I will go for classes like evening classes, 6:30 to 7. There will be some every week. There will be a 2 or 3 live trading sessions. In every live trading sessions, our analyst will be explain some new strategies and how to use. They will give some good knowledge and what they will do. They are asking us to find the signal. So what we will do with our platform, we are also searching for the signal. Then we will intimate them. They will tell us it is good signal or we should avoid like that. It will be a very great useful for me actually. In YouTube webinar only I just learned every strategies. After that only I find out my own actually. Now I'm using
Hmm.
only Kind Martin and some diving only I'm using.
Hmm. And as I understand, right now you're trading by using Kind Martin strategy.
Yes.
It's like mostly. And do you use maybe some other indicators in that strategy? I mean, Kind Martin is based on combination of parabolic and MACD, and maybe you combine this strategy with something else, maybe some other indicators or
Actually,
some other instruments. Hmm.
I just tried every oscillators and some indicators actually. Kind Martin, sometimes it will give some perfect signals. Sometimes it mostly some 2 or 3 days it won't give any perfect signal. On that time, I will try to use any all other indicators. Uh, on that time, I just found out that I just have some advisor tools also. In that advisor tools, I have some MACD advisor and crocodile advisor. I think I will combine with that also. And more
Hmm.
than that, I will use like Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Band also I will use with that our Kind Martin. It is like how it is going. I will check with everything. Maybe I will see some combinations will be work for this day, but tomorrow it won't work actually.
Hmm. Okay. And do you often move away from strategy, looking for your own ways?
Yes, I will do that. In every week I will do that because in some point of view, we I just try to use some 2 or 3 strategies like Kind Martin and diving and horizon. But sometimes it go to I can't get any signals from those VIP strategies also. On that time I will try to find my own like own strategy. I'm just using MACD and I will go for some Bollinger Bands. I will go for inversion Bollinger. What
Hmm.
I have with my indicators, I will try to use everything actually.
Hmm. Got it. And what is your favorite indicator?
My favorite indicator, it is parabolic case.
Parabolic. All
Yeah.
right. So this is the trend one. And
Yes.
what time frame do you usually analyze on the chart?
Um, Time frame, actually, most of the time I'm changing myself, because at some point of time the market will be very aggressive, and the time 2 or 3 minutes will be enough actually. But at some point of time, point of time, the um, support level will be more than 4 to 5 minutes is there. If it is a 4 to 5 minutes is there, means the parabolic will give you the signal like there is a 2 point will be there, but the signal we won't get any signal, because the support level will be in the same position more than 4 to 5 minutes. It will be there only. So we have to wait for the signal to go come down. So what I will do, I will check with the before wave, and I can see there is some 4 to 5 minutes support level it is going on in this value. So what I will do, I will go for some 5 to 10 minutes trade. So what it will do, the support will be in 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it will come down. So if I'm just urgent, or I'm in a aggressive position to open a market, means I will go for 10 minutes trade actually. So like that,
Hmm.
my time frame will be changing actually. Maximum I'm using 3 to 2 minutes for fixed time frame.
Hmm. You mean like it's your favorite expiration period, 2 3 minutes?
Yes, 3 minutes.
Uh-huh. And can you please, Arti, explain why it's your favorite?
It's because mostly our market will be changing in very aggressive way, because while opening the market on Monday, the market will be very aggressive, and it will go like we cannot predict that it will go upward or it will go downward. Maybe it's look like a perfect signal, but within 2 or 3 minutes it will go the opposite way. So if you're using only 2 or 3 minutes, means the candlestick will be if I am getting the down signal, the candlestick will go up to 2 minutes only, it will go downwards. After that 2 minutes, maybe it will go upward. So the short period will be very good for that aggressive time. On Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, maybe Tuesday maybe little bit aggressive, but Thursday or Wednesday it could give some perfect signal. On that time also, we don't need to risk our money on that high. I mean, above 3 to 4 minutes, means maybe it won't stay on the same level and it won't give perfect signal. If it is find any perfect signal, means maximum we have to go for 3 to 4 minutes, not more than that actually, because we are using only fixed time. It is short time trading level actually. So we have to go for only 2 or 3 minutes or 4 minutes, it will be good. More
Hmm.
than that, we don't know how the market will behave actually. On Friday also
Hmm.
market will be more aggressive.
And Arti, how do you feel about the combination of trend indicators and oscillators? Because, for example, on Kind Martin strategy, you use a parabolic, which is trend indicator, and a MACD, which is oscillator. So,
Yes.
do you prefer such combinations of trend indicators and oscillators?
Yes, our strategies, most of the strategy using the trend indicators and oscillators only.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
it is the very good strategies actually, because of that, we should know the market which side it is going, which trend is going on. So if it is the trend is changing, means we should know. So trend indicator is must for us. If it is a oscillator, means how much it is going to upward, how much it is going to downward. That's also we need to know. So these both
Mhm.
are very good indicators for our trading platform. They
Mhm.
maybe it can be any different kind of oscillator, any different kind of indicators, but we should know the both. So then only we can find perfect signal actually.
Mhm. So it means such a combination can be quite useful and can bring you pretty good results
Yes.
because trend indicators, as you said, they shows us the direction of the price movement, and oscillators, as you said, they shows us oversold and overbought areas. So in a
Yes.
combination, it could give us a good quality signals. All right. And now I would like to ask you about news and actually about financial world. So are you interested in news about financial world and financial markets?
uh, to be frank, what can I say? The news, most probably I don't visit that news page actually, because we could see the notification will become under our platform area. What I will do if the news is coming within 10 to 15 minutes means I just stop my trading for 20 to 25 minutes. Most probably I won't go that side actually. Yeah, as a
Hmm.
technical knowledge, I cannot say that the values like this maybe it will go upward, the values like this maybe it will go downward. We cannot predict that market, so let it go on the same on the direction. We have to wait for some time, then the market will be settled, then only we have to go for trading.
Hmm. And on which resource do you read information about financial markets? Maybe you have some favorite websites which you visit.
um, Actually, nowadays I'm using that OLYMP plus our blog is there. I think I'm using that only. I'm not using
Oh,
other websites
OLYMP
actually.
Trade blog. Uh-huh.
Yes,
All
yes.
right. And what has become your main source of knowledge about trading? Like, I mean, books, sites, webinars. So, what has become your main source of knowledge about trading?
My main source of knowledge is my webinars only. At first, I'm not a VIP trader, so I go for webinars every day. Every single day, I will be there. I will chat with the analyst, and I will go for find signals. I can find some interesting signals, then I will share with them. They will give me some suggestions. It is like okay, it is a good signal, you can enter into the market, like that they will give. The webinar is my main source. Then after I came become a VIP trader, I will go for my manager's consulting actually. He will give me some interesting ideas to how to find the signals, and how to uh, analyze the market. Everything I will learn from my personal manager actually.
Hmm. Okay. And do you make calculations, strategy testing, and study on your own, or do you follow someone's example?
Maximum I will follow my own actually, because maybe someone, if I'm getting any information from my personal manager, he may give what he is understanding, but in my point of view, if I follow someone means I cannot predict the market in my way actually. So what I will do, I will spend some time, 15 to 20 minutes, I will check the market how it is responding. I will get my ideas from our my manager, but I when I enter into the market, I will use my knowledge only. I will spend some time, then I can get my own signals.
Hmm. And Archie, do you communicate with other traders?
No, not yet.
Oh, you don't communicate with other traders. All right.
Yes.
Do you have a trading plan and traders log with a history of trades?
Come again? I can hear you.
Yeah, do you have a trading plan and a trader's log with a history of trades?
Yeah, I have some logs because at first time I just know how to trade also. After that I found some losses. It was a very big losses also. I faced so much, but after find out where I make mistakes. So what I just planned was I have to limit myself. First of all, I have to limit myself. I have to limit my excitement. If I'm getting profit like 10 or 15 trades I got profit means I have to stop. So I
Hmm.
have to learn when I have to stop actually. Maybe up to now I have some issues with that area, but I just know that I have to stop my excitement. I have to stop some levels. I have to stop my trading. I have to get some profit. So for that I have to maintain something. Then only I know I'm doing some such trades. Okay, I found some 15 to 20 trades, so I have to stop my level. So at recent time only I just open my trading log, like I am returning something on my log book. So I'm maintaining the log book now actually.
Hmm. And what are your plans for May and for a year as a whole?
My plan for May, I don't think so on plan for May. I will go for the year actually. Um
Hmm.
my goal for my this year, I just want to recover my losses first of all. Then I just want to find some 3,000 to $5,000 profit. And more than that, I have to understand when I have to into the market, when I have to leave from the market. That's I need to know, and I need to learn every day by day. So everything is a learning process actually. It is not a earning process not here actually.
Hmm. Just to sum up, as I understand, your plans for this year, it's to get additional income from 3 up to 5,000 per month, and also you're looking for some education to get more skills. I mean, to improve your skills of trading and to get more knowledge about trading strategies about the market.
Yes.
Okay, so even the most successful traders have black bars. And how do you deal with a series of losing trades? I mean, when you're facing losses, what is your reaction?
Actually, when I became VIP trader, I just found some profits. But after some point of time, I just faced more than which I was invested. More than $2,000 I was lost also. When I faced
Hmm.
losses, I could find that my mental ability, I mean, see, you can see as a financial level, if I lost like $2,000, $3,000 means it is not very good for me. So at first, when I face losses, I'm also getting very down. But after some point of time, day by day, I try to learn from our webinars. Some 4 to 5 days I was very down actually. After some point of time, like 1 or 3 months, I just know that I could recover my losses with small amount of investment after that. So
Hmm.
I find out that uh, here financial losses are very common because it can be profit, it can be not profit. But if you find very good perfect signals, that is the ability of us. If you find some good abilities, if you can find some good signals means you can earn much. The financial
Hmm.
losses may come and go, but the profit is within our hands, because if you face losses, we have to stop. That is the main rule. Now I'm following that actually. If I'm facing losses like two or three trades, I'm facing losses means I will stop the trading. After some
Hmm.
1 hour or 1.5 hour, I will watch the market. then only I will enter again. Maybe before that, what I will do, I will face losses means I will multiply my investment, and I will go for fifth or sixth trade or seventh trade. It will be very big actually. If I lose more than 7 or 8 trades, I will lose my investment. So what I am doing now, maybe 3 to 4 trades I will go. After 4 trades, if I losing means, maybe I will have my 75% investment in my account. So I will stop my trading. Then again I will start from the beginning. First trade, second trade, I will go for the zero level. So like this kind of approach, we can avoid our losses, and we can go for the profit actually. If we find from 40 to 45 percentage profit means, we have to minimize our losses inside that 45 percentage. Because if I am facing 30 percentage loss, if I am facing 45 percentage profit means, there will be 15 percentage profit will be there. Then at some point of time, we have to get our profit into our account. That's also one thing I want to share.
Hmm. And do you study the psychology of trading? Do you use maybe this knowledge in practice?
Actually, at point of psychology, it was I don't go through any books, or I'm not going any consultation actually. But in trading psychology, as I said, when you face losses, we will go very down, and we don't know how to react to our financial losses. And more than that, maybe some traders won't have some that much money to invest after that. And another thing, after facing losses, we will close the platform, and we won't go for the trading again. But for me, in that case, I'm also faced huge losses like 3 to 4 times. But at the point of time, first 2 or 3 times I was very down actually. But after the fourth or fifth time, I just know that I got some knowledge from the losses, because I know where I make the mistakes. I have to correct the mistakes, then I can go for the profit. So in my side, in psychology level, I should go for the knowledge only, because I should not I should not get worst in my feelings, and I should not go for down level, because today maybe it is losses, but we can earn from the losses after we gain some knowledge actually. So the down if the financial losses coming again and again means, we should wait for the signal first, the thing actually. That's we should do. We should not fight with the market.
Hmm. And how do you keep yourself from the excitement?
At first time, as I said, I just got a VIP trader. I just got up to $2,500. And the time I was just trading like missing 2 or 3 days and continuously trading. I just got more than $1,500 actually. Uh, but at some point of time, it was like I got some losses. And when I'm gaining, I'm just got excited and trading. But when I face losses, I could not tolerate that losses also, because it was my 3 days hard work. So after facing losses only, I can manage myself to get don't get excitement. You have to be calm, because it may be come, but if you go for some little too much excitement means, we will go for big amount tradings, then we can lose anything. So when I'm getting profit, what I will do, okay, it is come, it is profit, that's it. But up to I'm getting the withdrawal into my account, I will be in pressurized condition only. So what I will do,
Hmm.
don't excite or don't go down low. So it is like, be calm.
Hmm. All right. And how often do you watch webinars on official channel OLYMP Trade?
Actually, first 2 years, I don't miss any one day webinars because I don't have any basic trading knowledge also. So I will go for webinar and I just keep on learning. Then only I can trade with our platform. So maximum 90 to 95 percentage I will be watching our webinars only. Now
Hmm.
last 2 to 3 months only I'm not going for any webinars because now I got
Hmm.
my point, so I know how to use our platform.
Hmm. Great. And do you enjoy them? I mean, webinars, and what do you like most in them?
Actually, how can I say, the webinar is the most interesting thing in our platform actually, because most of the traders they are coming very new and they are getting very interested in our platform. But if you most of the other platforms like other apps are there, so they don't give any knowledge regarding the trading. So they are just an investing platform. We don't know also how to use some tools, but in our platform we can have some basic knowledge from our platform. So in webinars you people are teaching that basic tools and how to use them, how to analyze the market, how to use some Japanese candlesticks, how to analyze the market. Everything you people are teaching from the webinar. And maybe I'm the new trader, I can come into the webinar, but I don't know how. I don't know what is the OLYMP Trade app. I don't know what is OLYMP Trade platform. So, but at first time, if I'm seeing your webinar, I can see that this much tools are there, uh, this much analysts are there. They are ready to help, and more than that, there is a live trading sessions are there. On the live trading sessions we know where we are making the mistakes. Maybe I know the basic information. After that I'm trading with my own self only. But in throughout the week you are giving some 2 or 3 live sessions, so we know that. So okay, the market is going like this way. We are using the new strategy today, how to use that strategy. As I see, from when you start the webinar, you are telling that this is the first signal, this is the second signal, this is the third one. When the three signals are coming, then only it is a perfect signal. This is the
Hmm.
way we need that knowledge actually, because as first level, I'm also don't know what is strategy, how to use that. When you are using in the live trading sessions, see, you also facing some losses in our webinars, but most of
Hmm.
the time you are closing in profit only, like
Hmm.
50 to $70, like $150. I can see some $1,000 profit, $1,000 profit also. You just get it. So if I'm a new trader, the webinar will be very good and very good. It's like goal for us. So in webinars only we can learn and earn actually. See,
Hmm.
in the in our maybe in our country and other countries also, for earning some money, we are just giving more than hard work and 200%, 250%. But in trading, if you learn something, if you good at it, we can earn more than that. Like it's like a jackpot actually.
Hmm.
For learning also,
And
you people are helping.
uh-huh,
Yeah.
got it. And how often, Arti, do you how often do you actually interact with your personal analyst?
How often? I think 7 days per week. Every time I
Seven
will
days per week.
call them. Every time I call him, I know you are. I'm calling you only, right?
And how is the interaction with your personal manager organized?
Like maybe he is very busy actually. At point, maybe I have some doubts. Maybe I have some issues with my withdrawal process, or I have some market analyzing. I don't know what's going on here. Maybe at some point of time I don't know which strategy it's going to be very good for this situation. So on the same time, I will call to my personal manager. Maximum 99 percentage, he will answer me within some 2 or 3 hours.
Hmm. Is it comfortable for you?
Yeah, it is very
Uh,
comfortable.
okay. And how often do you have consultations with your analyst?
Like weekly once we are having a consultation normally, but
Hmm.
as a consultation I am taking only weekly once a class. But maximum weekly 4 or 5 days I will try to interact with him. Maximum he will 20 to 25 minutes he will spend with me every day.
Hmm. Great. And what is the main topic for consultations?
Main topic sometimes I will go for new strategies learning. Sometimes I will go for I just want to learn that our forex trading. So it is depends upon on the which time I just want to learn something new. Or now if I want to go for some live trading session, then I will go with them. It is depends
Hmm.
upon the time basis.
Hmm. Okay. And actually, yeah, what is the most valuable for you in the consultations?
Sorry, come again. What is?
Yeah, I'm asking you, what is the most valuable for you in the consultations?
Actually, before consultation, maximum I will go for the consultation because of I don't get some confidence in my trading sessions. If I don't get any confidence, I don't know how the market is responding. After the consultation, I will gain my confidence level because uh, he will explain me uh, how the strategies can be worked, how the live sessions, how we are analyze the market. So everything he can give me some ideas. Then after the consultation, I will gain some confidence level. Then only I will go for trading. So main thing in the consultation is confidence actually.
Hmm. And do you use the recommendations received on consultation in your daily trading?
Yeah, absolutely. For the for the recommendations only, I will go for the consultation because
Mhm. Got it. So you use it. All right. And which privileges of expert status do you like most? Can you explain us why did you make such a decision to switch to this professional style of trading?
actually in expert status actually. How can I tell? We may have some small amount of investment after some losses, but if I have some $200 investment means in expert status we will gain some bonuses. If I invest $200, I will get some 30% bonus also. It will support us when I'm losing something. And more than that, our withdrawal timing, if I give some withdrawal today, within 2 or 3 days I will get into my bank account. Before that I'm facing so many problems because of this withdrawal timing is very bad actually. But after
Mhm.
getting the expert status, the withdrawal timing is very good, and I'm getting some consultation when I need. And more than that, normally I'm just interacting with my manager 4 or 5 days within a week. He will answer
Mhm.
me at any point of time. Without that expert status, I won't get this much privileges actually.
So as I understand, like your main privilege or which you like most in expert status is that you get bonuses and that you have personal manager who can help
Yes.
you with your. All right, all right. That's great. And yeah, just actually the last question already asked, but anyway, I will repeat.
Okay.
So how actually why did you make such a decision to switch to expert status? So, as you said, you're having a number of privileges, but
Yes.
how you decided? I mean, it was your personal decision, maybe somebody
It's not,
recommended to
no,
you,
no, no,
or
no.
how
Before
you
that, it
decided?
was a. It is not an expert state. It was a VIP actually.
Mm-hmm,
It's because I just found that with a small amount of investment, uh, mostly I'm making the losses actually. And more
mm-hmm,
than that, we will get some profit level above 90%, and
mm-hmm,
we will get some support because maybe I will watching webinars, but the time to time the market is changing, so I need some new strategies, new kind of approaching. So I need someone to guide me. So when I'm getting the VIP status, I will get some personal manager. As I see, at any point of time I have any doubts, and I have any like I have any problems in my withdrawal process or anything, I can go with someone and I will ask for the help. He will do it for me within some very short period. And more than that,
mm-hmm,
if I get the VIP status, the profit will be like 90%, 92%. It is not a small thing. Actually, how
mm-hmm,
can I tell? After I am getting the VIP status only, I can analyze the market like professional, because before that I'm just a learner. After getting the VIP status only, I got someone to guide me, someone like some market situations I have to analyze. Means he will give me the some instructions, and more than that, our profit levels and bonuses. Like another thing is we can learn at any point of time. So that is the main thing actually. If you go for the expert or VIP status means, there will be someone will be with us to guide us to get the profit. If we face some losses means, okay, there is a losses. Maybe without anyone, if I'm facing losses, what I will do, I will go for the next trade, then I will lose my whole investment. But if I face losses means, I will call to my personal manager and I will tell him I am facing this much
mm-hmm,
losses, what I should do. Like that, we can have some support from some proportion. Already our personal managers are very good in knowledge actually. So like that, in VIP status means we will get some personal manager. It is the main thing actually, from my side.
mm-hmm. All right. So actually, Arte, it was the last question.
Okay.
I want to say thank you very much for this interview and for your answers. It was really great and informative. So once again, huge thank you to you. Um,
OLYMP Trade.